After logging into the backend of the closing pilot Chatbot, the first step is to click on the Facebook and Instagram account icons to bind our Facebook account. Here, you can open a new tab and log in to your Facebook personal account. Once you have logged in, you can return and click the Login button. Then click Continue to list all the Facebook fan pages you manage. If a fan page does not appear, it means you may not be the admin of that page. In such cases, you must request permission to be the admin so that you can complete the Chatbot setting. The editor role is not acceptable. If you find that some fan pages are not listed, you can also click on Login with Facebook and then click on the Edit Setting button. Proceed by clicking Next until you see the interface displaying all pages. Choose the fan page for which you want to set up the Chatbot and tick the box. Then click Next. Regarding the permission interface, ensure that you have turned on Yes and click Done, followed by clicking OK. Now, all the ticked fan pages will appear in the list. After importing the fan pages into the Chatbot, you need to enable the bot by selecting a fan page and clicking the blue button for bot connection. Click OK when prompted for confirmation. With the bot setting enabled, you can proceed to the Bot Manager. In the Bot Manager, you will find your fan pages listed. These are the ones you previously enabled. In this interface, you can start setting up auto reply content. The details of how to set up the reply content will be explained in the next video. For fan pages without the bot connection enabled, they will not appear in the Bot Manager settings interface. If you want to set up auto replies for another fan page, you can click on the Facebook and Instagram button and enable the bot connection there. Similarly, if you want to import another personal Facebook account, you need to open another tab and log in to that account. Afterward, return to the closing pilot and click the Login with Facebook button again. Follow the same steps as before, such as selecting the fan pages to import and clicking Yes for all. Once done, the imported fan pages will appear in the Bot Manager settings interface. After importing two personal Facebook accounts, you need to pay attention because you now have two different personal accounts to choose from. To switch between the accounts, you need to go up to the relevant section and select the desired personal account. Since each account is associated with different fan pages, selecting a different personal account will bring in the corresponding fan pages. If you change your Facebook password, remember to go back to the page and click the Login with Facebook button again to ensure that the auto reply function works normally. In the next video, the process of setting up auto replies will be explained.